For first time tuning in to our live video tutorial, welcome to our live tutorial tonight. Brought it to you by Glitz Accessory and such. I'm so excited and I really have a lot of energies and inspired from all of you. Thank you so much for the love and the support for a past 2 years. Okay, so blend this. If you are notice that the condensed glue gel a little bit thick for you to apply, which is really normal, okay? So don't hesitate to just blend them out. And you just need a good generous amount. You don't need a whole lot. No white top coat, which is and come from, like, you can get it by itself. Also you can get it from a Trifecta collection. Actually, you save money with that collection. I think that's a good collection to be with. I am going to give it some, should I give it a heart? Oh, let's try this cute piece. Take it away from, oh my goodness. Can I get a whole tray of that crystal, please? Oh my goodness, so it's like a contrast look. I think I really like this piece. I might need it, but I might not needing it, so don't worry about it. I changed my mind. You would never go wrong with this. Like, so many cool design we can do with. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. I'll do smaller side. I love this clear crystal because you can do so many different. Oh, it looks so cute. I'm gonna put some gold on it. I'm getting gold beads. And so the purpose of the no wipe top coat on the top of condensed glue gel, it helps not only finish when you're done with the crystal placement. You don't have to worry about like applying them or accidentally get them on the top of crystal, but also I can't see it, it's far away from me, so I'm adjusting it right now. Also, it helped to, the no white top and the condensed glue gel would help double secure and then grab your crystal base, stay in one place. I see it right here. What is that? Oh, centerpiece. I freaking love this, guys. This is really make, I'm gonna wipe it off in a little bit. Let me see. I'm gonna pull it off from my camera for a minute. Oh, it looks good. Okay, I have one more beads on this side. I see it now because I can't see it. I know, I think I have it. Great. So I'm gonna pop this guy in the lamp. If I'm happy with this, adjusting it a little bit. For wipe up on the side, so then you keep the shape nice and precise. And then pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. Ooh, I like that crystal. It looks like, I don't know how to explain that though. It looks super cute though.